Yes, so my people were there this morning. I want to say good morning tonight again. Well, just as you two have don't know, say yes. The person where they always there around with this fitness segment, in him now, Papa Jojo. The only man where will make you Joe through fitness level in any different dimension. I want to let you know, say this morning, as you look at so now top channel 195. Wazobia TV, or top start time. So, say you are dead there this morning, you want to feel the spirit of the fitness level through step board aerobics season 14. I'll say congratulations to you. Just do waiting. Go close to any staircase with inside your room. Then just try to follow up, go the way I take this fitness segment this morning. This morning, yes, I want me you sweat, but it go there like a kind of introduction. That's why you say already you don't understand from your own screen. Say the rhythm, the tempo, it is slow. Because of waiting, we want make our viewers make them understand what it take to get the knowledge of this step board. Because if you not take it gently or Jeje, you go run out of your step plans. So just try, swear, small, jeleke, the follows go the way we go with your count. So these are the first basic movement with your count. You just do it. Put your hand for your hips as it go like 1. Yes, then 2. Now so you follow go like that. 3. With your count gently. 4. Feel the count well, no feel the pain. 5. You see the way they go? 6. No run out of your count. 7. Enjoy them. 8. See my hand for my hips. 7. No miss out of your count. 6. The mode of count like that. 5. From 8 to 1. 4. Now so here they go. 3. You know stop. 2. Then see the way they go gently. You return. Go like that. You go. You know go stop. 2. Where your count now, my viewers. 3. You wait there where they follows. 4. The same tempo movement. 5. Just take it like say they dance. 6. Like that. 7. With your hand where your hips. Like that. 7. Remember say from 8 now you go down. 6. Don't forget your count. 5. Like that. 4. Enjoy them. 3. That's how you go. 2. You get what you man they call alternation step movement. That one be say as you go, you return. This go come. Then this one go come back. It go move again. You go return back. It go again. Now another pattern design plan movement where you take go be that. Now so you go like that. You go come back. You go move again. You go return and you go respond back again. Now so you go 2. Then you go take a like say the dance. 3. See. That's how you go. 4. Alternative program. 6. 7. Like that. Then 8. That's how you flow. 7. 6. This one to help you enjoy your fitness program as you go. 4. Like that. Now see the movement again. Now another pattern where they take them. Instead of your foot to step off the step board, you just tap the back heel like that. Now so you go. Then 5. Follow your count. 6. No change out of your count. 7. Like that. Then 8. 7. See my foot. 6. Jelekeli. 5. Like say they dance. 4. Small. 3. Like that. 2. Then 1. You run the change over stylishly like that. 3. You take out like say they dance. 4. Like that. 5. 6. See my hand. 7. Like say you expand your hand. Then 8. Now see this one. Now another pattern like that. My people wait there, I really want to appreciate now for this special time when I don't use with us this morning. I really want to thank you now for this special time. My people, I say honor really they excellently good viewers. I really appreciate now for this special time. But make it not forget saying our top channel 195 Wazobia TV start time. Until tomorrow, me I will continue with my whole Joe exercise movement as I return. I say bye-bye. Until tomorrow, see you. Go. 1, 2, like that. 3.
una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.
As we dey carry dey go.